2 homes, a massive barn, and 20 acres of rolling hills, what will you create on this unrestricted mountain estate? Nestled in the sought-after Hanging Dog area of Murphy, North Carolina, this property is a rare find where privacy, freedom, and opportunity converge. With no HOA and no restrictions, the land invites your vision, whether that's a personal retreat, multi-generational living, or a working homestead. residential structures, both sold as is. These homes provide a blank canvas for renovation, expansion, or replacement, giving you the flexibility to tailor them to your lifestyle. Whether you want a primary residence, guest house, or rental opportunity, their placement on the property allows for multiple possibilities. A standout feature is the large barn, built with solid block construction and wood framing. Its open interior layout makes it perfect for agricultural use, workshop space, storage, or even creative conversion into an event space or studio. Properties with a structure of this size and versatility rarely come to market in this area. An RV hookup near the main home adds even more flexibility, ideal for temporary living, guests, or while working on renovations. Combined with the natural landscape, the barn, and dual homes, the property becomes a blank canvas for nearly any vision you can imagine. This hanging dog estate is more than just land. It's a chance to create something extraordinary. Whether you're an investor, homesteader, or buyer seeking long-term potential, this 20-acre mountain property is ready to be brought to life. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own your piece of unrestricted North Carolina mountain paradise.